Ever notice how perfect your setups flip against you? It's not random, you are being baited. Today I'll show you the MSNR plus candle range theory combo that exposes every fake setup. I will review true liquidity traps that finally lets you trade like the insiders. I'm Victor Snow and this is Trading from the Soul, where ICT is simplified. Like and subscribe if this helps. The MSNR and the candle range theory combo, the Qm. This is what our bearish and bullish Qm looks like. So our bearish Qm is a type of Malaysian resistance that gets broken twice. This was the first time it got broken and this is the second time it got broken. And when it does something like this, we call it Qm. If you don't know what MSNR is, it's simply when two candles move in opposite direction forming an A shape. Can you see that this is an A shape? Before this video, it's advisable for you to watch our first video of this, the MSNR, that exposes every fake trader. It will help you understand this properly. For this example here, we had what? An A shape, which that our resistance, and it got broken, which we called an what? An RBS, which is simply a resistance turning into what? A support. And when it gets broken for the second time, we call it what? The Qm. And when it gets broken for the third time, we call it what? A QML. When our candle range theory forms in something like this, we're gonna trade from here towards the upside. I'm gonna be showing you how we use candle range theory in conjunction with it in a moment. We'll master this first. Let's move towards the bullish Qm. This could be the holy grail you've been waiting for in the market. For the bullish Qm here, it's simply when what? A support, which a support is when we have two candles in opposite direction forming what? A V shape. Can you see when it got broken, it turned into what? A resistance, which we call what? An SBR. And you see that market came and broke it again. When it gets broken for the second time, that's when we call it what? A QM. Traders. Then for this example right here, where will be our Qm? Comment down below. If you choose here, you are wrong. We're gonna be going to the chart to backtest this on gold. This is gold, the daily time frame. First we have to do is to find a resistance right here. You can see we have what? A bullish candle right here, and we had a bearish candle. And can you see, I told you in my other video that we have what? When we have a swing point, it's also needed. I'm gonna be marking out the closing price as my resistance, because in Malaysian SNR we deal with what? Closing prices, unlike in the SMC that we deal with what? Candle wicks. When price action came and what? Broke it, and what? Came again and broke it again, this what? Zone right here becomes our Qm. And can you see how market returned exactly to this point in the market, and it fell to the downside, traders. Let's see how we could have got this trade. We're gonna be going into the 4-hour time frame to refine this zone. To do that, I'm gonna be putting a box from this closing price towards this week right here, and I move towards the 4-hour. I'm gonna be getting the SNR in these boxes right here. Can you hear me get them? We have what? A resistance right here. We have what? Another resistance right here. So I'm gonna be readjusting this box so I can furthermore go to the 1-hour time frame to refine this zone. So the 1-hour time frame, I'll still point out the SNR in this box. Let's do that. Can you see that I have these multiple zones right here? Okay, the question here is, which one am I gonna trade from, and how am I going to filter this? My eye is on this particular resistance right here because it is also what? A 4-hour level. I'm gonna be making a sell here, stop loss above here, and for the take profit, I'm gonna go to the daily time frame to find a support level. If you check properly, this is another type of Malaysian support and resistance we call an open and close, which I'm gonna be showing you by this video's end. Pay attention. I'm gonna wait for market to come back to this our level, and you see triggered us, and can you see how it moved towards our take profit level? giving us a 1:6 risk reward ratio, traders. Let's take another example. What can you see here? We have what? A support right here. If you don't know how to mark all this out, this is the video you should watch to help you understand this properly. I told you guys that if you're unsure of this support, you should click here, toggle it to a line chart, and can you see how it automatically marks this guy out for you? I'm going to be putting a box from this closing price to this week, and I'll move toward the 4-hour time frame. Can you help me refine this zone? First we have a Qm right here. We also have a Qm right here. Why we refine all this is we want the exact point in the market is actually going to be reversing from. Let's see, we want market to come back to this zone. What can you see? Our candle range variation 1 forming here. I told you guys in my candle range video that we have what? A 1 stupid candle, which is a candle that is what? Approaching our Qm. We have a candle range high. This is 1 stupid candle range high. We have a candle range low, and we have a candle range low. I told you guys that we want the second candle to come below this candle range low and close up immediately, and the third candle to what? To sweep this candle range low, touch this Qm, and close up immediately, which is exactly what happened here. I'm going to be making an entry here, put stop loss 300 points below this point, and take profits at these highs. Let's see how this moves. Let's see. Can you see what? If we take profit for our traders, someone watching will say, Profitos, no, we don't understand this candle range something that you just showed us. This is what our candle range model 1 looks like, and this is what our candle range model 2 looks like. Our TRT simply means what? Candle range theory, which simply means that what? Every candle you see in the market is actually a range, which has what? A candle range low and what? A candle range high. In CRT, we focus on other candles behaviors around this our range candle. Our range candle, which I've been teaching you in this YouTube channel, that is, we call it our 1 stupid candle. One of the characteristics of our second candle is we want it to what? Sweep this candle range low of our 1 stupid candle and let it mitigate our MSNR. Then we'll move towards the 5 minutes time frame and wait for what we call a change instead of delivery. I'm going to be making an entry here, stop loss below here, and we buy to the upside. We can decide to what? Mark out a PD array and other block to trade from this zone to the upside. Then for the CRT model 2, can you see that our 1 stupid candle range low was swept by our second candle, and can you see how it tapped into our MSNR and what? Moved up immediately. You have to check out our candle range theory video. I finally cracked the ICT candle range theory to help you understand this in depth. I gave you guys a strategy to use to approach this. Heading on, I'm going to be looking at the Malaysian open and close, which is another type of Malaysian MSNR plus our candle range theory. This will help you understand this MSNR properly and perfectly. This is what our bullish open and close looks like, and this is what our bearish open and close looks like. Bullish open and close is when 2 candles move in the same direction. Can you see it is now opposite of what we've been talking about? This is our candle 1 and this is what our candle 2. Can you see this? Our candle 1 actually opened from here and closed here. Like, we pay attention to the close of this our candle 1 and what the opening of this our what candle 2, and from the difference between 2 of them is actually what our support level, traders. And I'm gonna put a box from this what support to what this week right here, and that is my Malaysian open and close. Have to wait for market to come back here and we buy to the upside, traders. For this example right here, mistakes I see traders make is what? Mark it out something like this. It is totally wrong. Can anyone tell me at the comment section? So this is what we call what? This gap you're seeing here is what we call a volume gap caused by market what? Closing and opening at different prices. You can agree with me that you've experienced this what? During weekends in the market. Someone watching will say, But to know what should we now do, you follow our rules. So I'm going to mark from this closing to what this week right here as my open and close traders. So go ahead, do this one for me and comment it down below. Let me know whether you're following up. Also, if you're getting value from this video, a thumbs up and a subscribe right now will be nice. Once any of these zones what gets broken, they all turn into a resistance. We are to sell in the market. This is where it gets exciting. This is the daily time frame what gold. What can we see right here? What two candles what in the same direction. This candle opened here and what closed here. That's our first candle. I see our second candle opened here, and the difference between them is our Malaysian open and close traders. I'm gonna put a box from that closing price to what the week to cover it up. And can you see how market returned to that zone and we traded to the upside traders? I could have refined this from the lower time frame. Heading on, can you see what another example right here? Two candles what moving in the same direction. What this is our Malaysian open and close traders. Can you see how market returned exactly to this point in the market and what move to the upside traders? I'm gonna be putting a box from this our support to what this week right here. Then I'm gonna be moving towards the 4-hour time frame traders to refine this. To do that, I have to just find the more SNR in these boxes. Can you help me do that? We have what is support right here. We have what an RBS right here. Also, if you don't know that this is an RBS, check out this our what video. Can you see what it was? First of all a resistance, but when it broke, it turned into an RBS. Is there any other one? Comment down below. If you said no, you are incorrect. Actually, we have what an open and close right here. So I'm gonna what readjust my box and move into the 1-hour time frame for more refinements. Can you see we have what this zone and this zone from the 1-hour time frame? If you see properly, we have multiple zones. I'm gonna see how market reacts from each of these zones right here. Let's see. What can you see right here? What our one stupid candle. Can you see the candle range high traders and what the candle range low? Can you see our second candle made a total soup of our candle range low and mitigated this open and close right here? This is what candle range theory model 1 for me right here. Move towards the 5 minutes time frame traders. And you see we made a total soup and tapped into what our support right here. And once we tapped into it, we made a change instead of delivery right here. What will I do? Mark out an order block right here. Top loss still below here. Or what I could execute immediately for my take profit. I'm gonna be targeting this what candle range high right here. Let's see how this unfolds. Let's see. And can you see guys what a full take profits level traders? Someone watching will say, we don't know, will this work on the lower time frame? Let's check it out. This is what gold, the 1-hour time frame. This trade is actually from 2nd September this 2025. What can we see? What an RBS right here. It was what a resistance right here. When it got broken, it turned into what a support. We have to what wait for market to return back to this RBS. This is what our one stupid candle. This is what candle range low. And can you see how second candle swapped the candle range low, mitigated our RBS right here, and we move to the 5 minutes time frame? What can you see? Comment it down below. It changed instead of delivery traders. I'm going to be marking out this fair value gap right here. Make my entry straight to the upside. Stop loss below that level. Let's see how this unfolds traders. Let's see. Can you see market came and triggered us? We are in the trade traders. So let's see. Can you see what a full take profit level traders? Believe me, I don't depend off others winning with what something you already know, but you are still what struggling. But what you don't understand is, even though we actually trading the same thing, our approaches might be what different. And if you want to fix that, I have a playlist here on YouTube. This is what for Malaysian SNR, and this is for candle range theory. You can dedicate yourself in watching this playlist from beginner to what advanced. You're gonna be unstoppable, I'm telling you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe right now for the algorithm. This is Victor Snow. I'll see you guys right there now. Signing off.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They